Good day, grade 4s, and welcome to this lesson. For this lesson, we will be looking at adjectives. You should already know that we use certain words to describe certain things or people. If you don't know, please look carefully at the following demonstration. On the screen, you will see two cars. I want you to point towards the red car. Did you point towards the one on the left? Yes. But how did you know that it's that specific one I wanted you to point to? This is because I used the word red. In this example, the word red is an adjective. In this example, I want you to point towards the bigger car. Did you point towards the one on the right, which is also the yellow one? Well, this is because I used the word bigger. As you just saw, we have certain words that describe things, and we call these words adjectives. So now you may wonder, what is an adjective? Well, an adjective is a word that describes a noun. And remember that a noun is something that we can see, hear, touch, taste, or smell. If we look at this example, that picture is a picture of a milkshake. How do we know that a milkshake is a noun? Well, I can see the milkshake, I can touch the milkshake, I can taste the milkshake, and I can smell the milkshake. So that tells me that it's a noun. And so it means I can use words to describe this milkshake. Words like delicious, tasty, or expensive. Now, it's great if you already know that adjectives describe nouns, but it's also important for you to know that not all adjectives can describe all nouns. Here we have a picture of a table and a dog, which we both know are nouns. If I use the word friendly as an adjective and I want to describe the table, it's not going to make sense. But if I want to use the word friendly and describe the dog, you will know what I mean by saying that the dog is friendly. Another example is the word broken. I can't explain the dog to be broken, but I can describe a table as being broken. Another word is the word old. Now this one is applicable to both nouns. You should also be able to identify adjectives in sentences. Now, to identify an adjective in a sentence, you first have to identify the noun and then the word that describes it in that sentence. Let's look at an example. Our sentence says, I have a very big dog with brown hair. In this sentence, we have two nouns, and we are going to circle it in red. The word dog is a noun and the word hair. So, now I have to go look at what words describe the dog. Well, it says the dog is big. This means that the word big is an adjective. And the sentence states that the hair is brown. So the word brown is an adjective. I now want you to go and grab your pink workbook and open on page 82. Then do the 3 activities that they ask.